Hello, my name is DF, also known as Dr. M in Lenovo Fans channel. In today's video, we will unbox and review the ThinkBook Mechanical Keyboard KB Pro from Lenovo. Its model name is MT883. Now, this video isn't sponsored. However, Lenovo did send this keyboard to me to try. All opinions expressed in this video is entirely my own. This keyboard will be available in the Chinese market at the end of May 2023, but I haven't seen it in any other countries or haven't found any review on this keyboard in YouTube or TikTok outside China. So we look forward to see it soon. Without further ado, let's get started. Let's start with the unboxing to see what's included in the box. This is a nice and premium look box. Lenovo has been using white color in most of its recent new product box. Get this quick start card which includes all functions of the keyboard. As the one sent to me by Lenovo is a Chinese version keyboard, the quick start guide is also written in Chinese. It also guides you on how to connect to Bluetooth. It has a user guide manual with step-to-step instructions on how to use the keyboard. This keyboard can work with any device running Windows, Android, and iOS system. For this reason, you are also given an extra set of keycaps. And of course, a key puller. Finally, the keyboard itself. The keyboard comes in two colors, gray and pink. Its dimension is 310mm by 143mm by 19.8mm. Its input is 10 watts. It has 83 keys. It weighs 725 grams. Its material is PBT. Although this is a Bluetooth keyboard, it has a USB cable so that you can use it to charge the battery or use it in wired mode. There's no information in box about the battery capacity yet, so I asked Lenovo about the information and confirmed that the battery capacity is 2400 mAh. I have been using it for quite some time and it seems that the battery lasts around 100 hours after a full charge. Now, 100 hours constant use, that's not bad. And by the way, it only takes 3 hours to fully charge the battery. In terms of the keyboard design, it's looked very classic. The entire outside material looks like it's made of plastic, including the body of the keyboard, the back of the keyboard, as well as the rear side of the keyboard. But as I already said, it's made of PBT. Even though it looks plastic everywhere, it's heavy and solid. Some people may like it with a heavy weight, as it looks stable while using it. Let's check out the sides. There's not much on the four sides. There is, however, a button to switch between Bluetooth, wireless and USB cable. It also has a USB Type-C port for charging or connecting the keyboard to a system device via cable. It also has a USB to connect to the laptop via wireless. The sides look thick. I'm pretty sure it's because of the battery inside the keyboard. On the bottom side, there's not much. It got two yellow feet. On the front side, there's a lot. The keycap seems very compact as compared to other keyboard, so if you have big fingers like mine, sometimes it will be easier to type on the wrong key when typing fast. But after a while of practice, it's not a problem to me. The typing experience is not that bad, a little bit scratchy and maybe low. On the top of the front side, you can see there is 83 keys. The LED light is quite nice and shining through the keycaps. That's a plus that many other keyboards from other brands don't have. With this LED light, it will be a lot easier to type in the dark, as you can see the light shining through the keycaps. In sum, I really like this keyboard. Very classy and comfortable to use, especially if you have a ThinkBook. It really matches with your ThinkBook laptop. Although both are grey color, but the keyboard grey color seems a little lighter than my ThinkBook. It has all the element color for Lenovo Think series, including dark grey, light grey, blue and red, etc. I would definitely recommend it to my friends and colleagues. So if you like this keyboard, you can find more information on it at www.newsupport.lenovo.com.cn. That's all for today's video. If you liked the video, don't forget to give me a like and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.